Hi, this is Cheryl Traxler, and I have this beautiful rainforest behind me. You can hear the beautiful birds I enjoy, and also behind me are tall mountains, and then there's an inlet as well because I live on an island in Alaska. This is a place that you cannot drive to. You have to fly or take a boat. We are off the road system, of course, and it's very unique and fun. I really enjoy living here, and I also have 7 grandkids. Such a blessing. And I remember when my kids were little, I wanted to be home and take care of them and raise them. And so I started a home-based business because that's what I wanted, and I went after it. And I've been doing it ever since, and now I have 7 grandkids. So I have been very blessed. I'm very thankful for that. And I want to share with you something incredible. Here's my harbor in my Alaska island here as well. Beautiful harbor. And it's a gorgeous night, and I just wanted to talk to you about wanting sales. If you want sales, we're going to tell you about, I want to talk about pre-qualified leads. Just giving you a little view. There's our lighthouse. So it's so gorgeous tonight. So if you want sales, let's talk about pre-qualified leads. Now these are leads that have been interviewed. They're telephone leads actually. People actually have talked to them. They know what they want, okay? And they're really incredible because they know how much they want to invest in a home-based business, and they also know how much time they want to invest, which is, you never know that, right? I mean, that is so high quality, high traffic leads, those kinds of leads. I mean, that's amazing to know all of that. And these are interested leads. They're verified home business leads. They definitely want to work from home. They've talked to somebody. They've been interviewed. I mean, how high quality is that? And these are top leads. I don't know what kind of leads you use to get traffic to your online business. And there's like click ads, solo ads, all different types of ways to advertise. But I have never seen leads so targeted and so high quality as these. I mean, when you rent a list from a solo ad vendor, you really don't know who that list contains, who's really on the list. They haven't been interviewed. You don't know really what they're looking for. So it's like, you know, it's a hit and miss kind of thing, right? Well, these pre-qualified leads that have been interviewed are definitely ready to get started, which you want, right? Those are the kind of leads you want. They're ready to get started. They're really interested in and owning a business and getting started in one, right? So, and traffic is key for any business. So getting good traffic is the most important lifeblood of your business. Absolutely. And solo ads, you know, you don't know who they are. You get all these clicks. All these people are asking for more information, and you're all excited. And then it ends, and you've gotten your however many you got, and no sales. That's the problem. No sales. I mean, what good is it if you don't get any sales? You don't know. You know, you can't have a business online if you don't get people that buy. And that's really the key here. You've got to have that. You've got to have people that are interested. It's very important to have high quality traffic. Very, very important. So that you don't, you know, you got to have people that want to start a business. And that is really what pre-qualified leads are. They're those kinds of leads that do that. So you're like, where can I get those kind of leads, right? And I have an incredible business that has exclusive pre-qualified leads, totally exclusive. So what does that mean? That means they're available for just us that are in this business that gives you these kind of high quality leads. And not only are they high quality leads with this business, they also take care of sending them to the websites and putting them in a special group to be able to check us out and see what's going on. But they also do the sales. So you don't have to talk to them. You don't even have to work with them. You don't have to email them. You don't have to do anything with these high quality leads, traffic. And that is so important for your business, to have leads that are actually going to buy. I mean, I've been in this business since, well, this is like 3 months. And I started out right out of the gate, right, fresh start, okay? Not 6 months down the road or whenever. I started out right at the beginning. I purchased my lead packages, okay? And guess what? I have been getting consistent sales from them. Now, when do you find a lead source that you get consistent sales, right? That you can always just order their traffic and you're going to get consistent sales. Well, and the thing about it is, if you order their traffic, who says you're going to get sales? So that really the key with our leads is, you want sales, you get sales. You get these sales and you don't have to talk to them. You don't have to do any of that. You just have these high targeted leads that are closed for you, and that is just incredible. So this kind of lead is just, I have never seen this kind of lead in the industry, really. This kind of a lead that gives you consistent traffic. So it is really the best you can get. I just want to get this view good here. It's the best you can get for traffic, because you get consistent income from it. And that's what we want, right? We want consistent income. So I'm really thankful that this is what these pre-qualified leads can do for you. And if you want to tap into them, not only to build your business, you can build multiple income streams by being able to tap in such a lead that gives you sales. Because our people actually close them for you, and that's unusual, but you will not find anyone in the industry right now that offers this. That's the truth. This kind of leads in traffic, and you know that for your business or any business, or you just want to just start one, you don't even have one, this is the best offer you're ever going to see, because of the pre-qualified leads. And then we have people that actually talk and close and get the sale for you. So that makes it easy. You never have to focus on the selling with what we have going on. So it's perfect. So I just appreciate you watching our video, and check out my website. You can see what our business is all about and where you can have an excellent source of leads, which is huge for any online business. In the times we live in, we need something else, something extra, something full-time. We need more options. Things are crazy and doesn't look like they're settling down. So we're just really excited. I'm excited to be able to share this lead source with you, and I appreciate you watching. And thanks. Subscribe to my channel so you don't miss any updates. So bye from Alaska.